pin.
What?
I would not steer you wrong.
No, I can't. Flashlight. I need a flashlight.
Right here. I'll charge it.
I need to ensure that nobody can get in this room.
Easy way to do that.
No,
Stick a chair.
that's not going to do it. There. A little better, but not exactly. Ideal.
And if we went to Josh's, we could do our one.
These things always happen when I'm finally have sex. It's like fucking. Yeah, but the thing is, I think you know that you do that way. You didn't seem willing at all to do. You kept coming up with one more thing you had to do first, and one more thing.
No.
You did.
You were on your phone.
I was waiting on you.
Anti-bugging shit.
Are you fucking kidding me? I was sitting there watching porn most of the time.
Yeah, and so I'm
Wait.
sorry that I checked something and then I wanted to use the bathroom, and what else did I do?
Well, it never stopped.